All right, so that was about the parameter C. Now, another interesting aspect is, until now we have seen that your decision boundary is always linear, and that's kind of restrictive, right? Why it has to be linear? It could be like a curve or something, but then the issue is when it's very hard to learn like those curves. And we will discuss like a very clean solution where you don't have to learn those curves. You can still use your linear classifiers, but it's kind of a trick which will lead you to like from support vector classifier to support vector machine. All right. So let's try to understand how that works. So in this case, this is the data set, and these are like this is the sample distribution. And you can see like if you try to learn like a linear boundary, it might look something like this. So the dashed line is the decision boundary, and these are your support vectors. And it's kind of fine, but still like it's kind of making error, right? On the let's say on this sample. And again, this sample and this sample, it's kind of on the boundary. One is like on the wrong side. So this is also on the wrong side. And whatever, how hard you try, sometimes it might not be possible to actually separate these two by just using a linear boundary.